With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's read the question. Relative sizes of egg cell, morula, blastula and gastrula cells are, okay. So they are saying that the relative size of egg cell, morula, blastula and gastrula are, option A, egg cell is the smallest and gastrula cell is the largest. Option B, all are of equal size. Option C, egg cell is the largest and morula cell is the smallest. Option D, egg cell is the largest and gastrula cell is the smaller, okay. So basically when we talk about this egg cell when undergo the process of fertilization with sperm, it lead to the formation of the zygote, okay. This zygote then basically it undergoes the process of cleavage, okay, multiple times in order to form another stage which is known as morula. Morula further undergo the cleavage in order to form blastula. Then after the implantation and the process of gastrulation, okay, it lead to the formation of gastrula, okay. So what happened when we talk about the cleavage? So the cleavage basically occurs from the zygote to the blastula stage. In cleavage, there is only division, okay. So there is no growth, there is only division, no growth. So basically the size of zygote, morula and blastula basically remains the same, okay. So the size basically remains same. But after the gastrulation and the implantation process, the size basically increases, okay. So the size of the gastrula is the largest while the size of the egg cell is smallest, because after the fertilization the size basically increases here. For the zygote, then it remains constant and then again it increases. So we can say egg cell is the smallest and the gastrula cell is the largest one here, okay. So option A is correct. Option B is not correct because all are of equal size. No, egg cell is not the largest and morula cell is not the smallest. Egg cell is also not the largest, but the gastrula cell is largest. It's not the smallest. So option A is the correct option here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.